Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Queen here, and today I am memory planning for the week of July 25th through July 31st in my Aura Style Cloud Planner A5 wide. I am using the kit Papaya from Vanilla Paper Co. And as you can see, I'm already starting on my day by day. My files were corrupted. I ended up having to get a new chip, and I was so undecided on if I wanted to upload this or not. But because I planned a little bit differently for this week, I did want to go ahead and upload this video, and I may continue planning like this going forward. So yeah, like I said, the files were corrupted for when I laid down my base. So the garland you see at the top is from Sadie's Stickers. My July script is from Letters to Apollo. For my date covers, I cut just like the first three letters of each day of the week off, and then the numbers are also from no, not Letters to Apollo, they are from Sadie's Stickers. My fashion doll is from Red Lyrics, and then I have some quotes on the sidebar as well that says so fond of you and belief in yourself. Those are from Christine Paper Studio. And then all of the embellishments are from Sadie Stickers. And then the little flowers that you see that I cut down, that I'm putting down now, are actually from some washi from Sadie Stickers, and I think it's the Easter one, and I just cut the flowers from that because for that washi you can't even really tell that it's a Easter egg. So yeah. So on Monday I had a doctor's appointment to go to, so I wanted to go ahead and mark that. The appointment was super long for no reason. I felt like they could have got me in and out, but they didn't. There was nobody in the rooms or nobody in the waiting room, and the appointment was like at 10 o'clock. So yeah, it was just long for no reason. I also went to Sweet Bun. It is like a Korean pastry place, which I love. They have breakfast pastries and just regular dessert pastries, super yummy. And I finally got to use that cinnamon roll from a White Dairy Stationery. Love that. On down, I wanted to mark that I had some Mr. and Mrs. Crabs. I think I just ended up getting shrimp this day. I didn't really want anything else. And then I finished the Twilight Saga. On to Tuesday. Tuesday we went to the mall. We had to get some things done in regards to Wi-Fi, and the company is inside the mall, so we went there for that. I also stopped in to Lush and picked up a few of the shower bombs. And I also went and looked at some clothes. As you can see here, I'm definitely already looking at fall clothes, and I'm wanting to like bum out this fall, like baggy pants and baggy shirts, or baggy pants and crop tops. Look really cute. Like I might just bust a move or something, but I won't. I really love that look. So yeah, I looked around at some clothes, and I'm using the hanger from Miss and Meow. This is one of my leftovers. And the bath bombs that I got were the Sleepy Time and then the Calm. They smell so good. The dividers that you see me placing at the end of the column are from JK Creates Co. And we are moving on to Wednesday. So on Wednesday, I wanted to mark that I picked up a new plant. The plant that I got is a fiddle leaf plant. I picked up a smaller one. However, I did want the bigger one. but it was out of my price range. I actually wanted to just snip a piece of the bigger one that I saw. I see a lot of people do that on TikTok, but I'm too scared to do stuff like that. So that didn't happen, but I'll probably definitely go back to get the fiddle leaf plant. It was from Lowe's. I want the bigger one to go in the living room. The small one is just sitting on my desk in my office. And the little planter is from White Deer Stationery. So I'm adding a mandala from JK Creates Co. Adding in that little outfit from the kit, and then the papaya, because not too much happened on this day. I was so mad. I'm so upset that my files are corrupted. I try everything to get it off, because you see me walking down the aisles of Lowe's in the plant area, and it just looked so, aesthetically pleasing and nice. But maybe next time I can get it to come off of the chip right, being that I'm using a new chip. I don't have my planner with me, but I'm going off memory and waiting till I place the sticker down. So this is where I finally uploaded a video. I wanted to mark that, and I used a laptop sticker from Paper Muse Craft, and I said yay. So behind, but I uploaded. These butterflies that you see me putting all over are from Rose Gold Paper Co. I do PR for her. You can use code Quen to save 20% off of your order. And then you see me adding the little embellishments here. Those little flower stems that you see me put all over are from Sadie Stickers. So moving on to Thursday. Thursday I wanted to mark that I was having a couch type of day. I cut down that circle from the kit. Love these little squiggles, foiled squiggles that I got from Sadie Stickers. When I cut a sticker like this and it has that harsh line, I can always put like something like that to kind of not make it as harsh. The dangles that I'm using are also from Sadie Stickers. And yeah, I'm just marking a couch type of day. We watched movies. I kind of was like having a Disney movie type of day, like when you're sad or something and you want to go back and watch like Belle and Cinderella, Beauty and the Beast, the cartoon version. Like I was just watching all of those movies and having me a couch type of day. I had some popcorn with the cheddar seasoning that you sprinkle over the popcorn, and that was really good. And the couch is from White Deer Stationery, and the script is from JK Creates Co. So yeah, this is me at home, not existing. So here I am just marking that I got one load of laundry done. I used the little sock icon from Paper Muse Craft, and the laundry script is from the kit. I don't know if she still offers scripts on her kits. I haven't really ordered from Vanilla Paper Co. in a while. I did have another butterfly on here as well, like 2 different types of butterflies. So the solid one that you see is from Sadie Stickers. So later this day, after getting the boys, we got some blizzards from Dairy Queen, so I wanted to mark that. And I used the DQ sticker from Sissysprintsco. Unfortunately, she no longer offers this icon in her shop. I do PR for her though, and you can use code Quen15 to save 15% off of your order. She still has really awesome things in her shop, and I really love her new character stickers that she is bringing out, and she's very inclusive, and I really really love them. I picked up the wheelchair or the chair babe sticker where the character is in a wheelchair, and that just spoke to me and I loved it. Grabbed it. Awesome. So yeah, here I'm just marking that we went to Dairy Queen with the boys. Ice cream always makes the day so much better. Moving on to Friday. I went to Dunkin' and I picked up this yummy sandwich. It is the tomato pesto sandwich that they just brought to Dunkin'. I normally get it from Starbucks, which I still like it from Starbucks because they offer chicken on it. And yeah, I think it's called like a chicken capri or something like that. I'm not sure. But it's really good. I love pesto and I love roasted peppers. So not peppers, roasted tomatoes. So it's just so good. It's like a breakfast pizza. I didn't have a sandwich icon, so I just used a little coffee because it was my breakfast for this morning, and that's what I used. But yeah, so good. I definitely recommend it. So I did have a migraine this day, so I did pick up a new prescription that my doctor wrote for me, which it didn't work. So now I have another one to pick up. So yeah, had a really bad migraine, and that lasted me until Sunday. So I had a migraine from Friday until Sunday. So yeah, I put this migraine would not let up, and I did go ahead and go to sleep early. Although the medication did not work, it still made me very sleepy. So I used the little mask icon from White Deer Stationery, and I put the little shoes in the corner because I didn't have much else to write in there, just to put early to bed. So on Saturday, I was up early. I used the clock icon from Honey Ink. This is on her freebie. I used the little squiggle here just to mark or to show that I had coffee coffee script is from JK Creates Co. I think I just used the coffee instead of having to write Coffee Mondays. So yeah, we were up super early. The babies had so much energy, so I wanted to go ahead and do something fun with them today to kind of run that energy off. So here is what we did. They had so much fun in the water. The following weekend, or in the near future, we'll be going to the museum that you saw behind them. But they had so much fun there, so I used the little emoji characters in the pool. Even though it wasn't a pool, they still got wet. So I used that to mark basically having like a water day. The park that we went to was just the Curtis Hickson Park, because when I tell you it was extremely hot and everybody was out playing in the public parks waters, they were, because we went to like a splash pad that had more toys, and like the bucket fills up all the way and then it turns over and it splashes all of the kids. We wanted to go there, but it was so packed, and yeah, it was a no. So we went there because I was like, everyone always forgets about this little water park or sprayer here. So we went there and got them tired out, and then we just bought them vanilla ice cream with sprinkles, to end the day. On to Sunday, I didn't have much to write, so I added in another full box and put in my dividers as headers. We had family time. We just ended up eating out this day. We didn't go to my aunt's house like normal, so we did that. And then we also watched movies, and well, not movies, we watched one movie, and I was so upset about the movie because the ending left you so empty. I hate movies that leave you empty. So yeah, I'm just writing here that we watch movies. I was in and out of my sleep because my head was hurting. Thankfully, my aunt was watching baby for me, so I wouldn't be like, is he okay? How's he doing? And stuff like that. She had him right in her lap, and all was good. So overall, a totally awesome week. I hope you all enjoyed this video and the different spin that I put on it. I wanted to do it this way because it is taking me a little bit longer to fill out my planners, as I'm not doing as much as I normally would do. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Bye.